Hi everybody, I'm Rob and I'm in Zone 6, Western Pennsylvania. So today I want to talk about a little tree that we have in our yard, and this is called a butterfly's magnolia tree. It is hardy in zones 5 through 9, and one of the special things about this year is this is the first year since we planted it 3 years ago that we've actually got flowers on it. The winter usually takes care of these flowers, even though it's hardy down to zone 5. We rarely get flowers like this. Usually there's a frost that will do damage and kill these away, but it is blooming and it looks fantastic. Something that's kind of cool also about these is that they have a lemony scent. So they're yellow and they actually smell lemony, which is pretty cool. So this tree actually it's fairly little now, but it will get to be about 15 to 20 feet tall and about 15 feet wide. All right, so as you can see, the wind is kicking up here, and I just wanted to share this with you because it is kind of a special year with this blooming like it is. So I better go before the storm hits, and until next time, I'll see you in the garden.